Hey guys! Welcome to FN Travel. Today I am going to review the Connaught Hotel in New Delhi, a stylish and modern property right in the heart of the city. The first impression as you step inside is the elegant lobby, which feels both welcoming and contemporary. The staff are friendly, attentive, and always willing to help with a smile. The breakfast buffet truly stands out with a wide range of delicious food options to suit every taste. The juices, teas, coffees, croissants, and pastries are some of the best I've had at any hotel. The hot food options at the Connaught are especially impressive, as you can see here in my video. Management offered this breakfast while they prepare my room as I just landed at 4 a.m. Who needs sleep, right? One of the best things is how quiet and peaceful the hotel feels. It's also a safe and secure property with good attention to guest comfort. The interiors are chic and give a boutique feel, rather than a large chain vibe. The Wi-Fi is fast and reliable, which is a plus for both work and leisure. Room service is quick, and the food quality is consistently good. Overall, the Connaught Hotel strikes a fine balance between luxury, comfort, and convenience. I would highly recommend it for travelers looking for a central base in New Delhi with excellent service and style.